Hello, my name is Young, but my real name is Favor. So I go by the name Young on all social media. Yeah. Besides, um, you know, I've been trading for a while. Yeah, 1 year now. Yeah, for about 1 year and some months. So if you keep staying in the stimulator, I've been using a demo account and personal funds. Yeah. So you know it's been all good. So you know at times I use a demo account because the funds in my personal account is just going up and down. Yeah, I rather use that $30 I can use in buying a funded to buy a normal account. Yeah, instead of funding that 30 something dollars in a normal account, I rather use to buy a funded to give me more edge in the market. But by the way, let me just do a quick introduction. I've said it before, my name is Young, my real name is Favor. Yeah, I'm very young. I just turned 18 on the March last year. Okay, by the ways, let's get into business, what we're here for. So I bought a funded account on Monday. Yeah, on Monday I bought a funded account, but I didn't use it on Monday because my credentials came in late and all the rest, so I have to wait till Tuesday evening to get everything back. Yeah, but I bought some Monday so I can start from Monday to trade, but unfortunately I missed the Monday entry. Yeah, it's a 5k account. Let me just show you the account right away. So this is a 5k Stellar account. I have to pass phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, April 16th. Well, today is Wednesday and I took a loss. Yeah, I scored $17 loss. I'm down minus 35%. So on this account, my daily loss is $200. My overall loss is $400. Well, in order to pass my phase 1, I need to make $400. Okay. So today's Wednesday. I took a loss on Euro USD. Let's dive straight into the chart, okay? So right here, there's the charts here. So first things first, I mark up the place I want. I want the market to take out. So around here is my liquidity area. I want the market to take that out. So luckily the market did. Okay. So I'm actually waiting for something like this. No, let's say this is my liquidity zone or my point of interest, whatever. I want them to be taken out first. Then I'll start looking for entries. Let's say it will be something like this. Okay, I just mark up the morning opening candle till 8 a.m. in the morning. From 12 o'clock to 8 a.m. in the morning. That will be the Asian section. Yeah, the Tokyo section. I mark it up like this, the top and the bottom. Yeah, price could be ranging on it like this, in and out, in and out, stuff like this, it's not too clear. So I'm waiting for either a break above or a break below. So today it broke above. So what I'm waiting for is a change of character, a pullback, and my entry somewhere around there. Then we go down together. Yeah. So that's just it. So my entry will be here in the pullback when I get my third golden confirmation. Targeting that 1 to 3 risk reward. Stop loss will just be right above that pullback that happened. Yeah. Then I will be targeting 1 to 3. This is just my entry model. Yeah. Very simple, and and the rest. So if I'm looking for a buy, it will be the opposite. It will have to break below, then I'll buy it right up. So today marked up, my change of character happened around here. The pullback, I spotted my entry around here, so I entered. So I was targeting a 1 to 3, a 1 to 3 risk reward. But price was just ranging around my entry zone. I was just like, God, what's happening here? It was just messing with my mind, because I don't take trade like this. Yeah, I don't take a setup that's range. Once I'm in, and it just goes straight down to my TP. That's just very fast and easy. But today was just ranging. Well, when I saw a bit of profit, I would have followed my my strategy plans, trade my stop from here to here. But I was just like, nah, let me just leave everything the way it was. But according to my strategy, when it gives another leg, pulls back, you trade your stop loss down to that pullback. So around here, around this zone, around here, let me just let me just remove this. So around here, it gave me another leg, pulled back. My stop loss should be here. I should stream my stop here. Then once it breaks this other low, but due to some reason, I was just not okay with trailing the stop as of then. Just like, let's keep it running. Let's just keep it running, because I was not with my laptop. I was just outside with my phone. Even when I sent the signal to a group, I have a group on Telegram where I normally post signal and the rest, because I've been good with this strategy for a while now. And I learned it from someone that's been good with it. So it's an A+ setup that I always wait to see every day. If I don't see it, I don't take a trade. I don't make any entries enough. I don't force what is not going to happen for me. I don't force it. So for some reason, I was just not okay with trailing the stops there. So I will pull this back to my entry zone. So around here was the news. Here, I was seeing all these down candles, all these inverse candles. So I was just like, it's gonna definitely go down, because the news is coming up. I would have dropped my stop loss here. The news was coming up. Well, that was a very big mistake I made here, and I know some other people will take that loss with me. But we expect a loss and we also expect a win. So I left it. The news just came and smashed my LSL and came back down and played around that zone again and whatever. So I got stopped out just like that. Yeah, but on Monday is what I was expecting. On Monday I sent this to a group, my group on Telegram. Yeah, to mark up, break, pull back, not to my zone because I was expecting to pull back here. It pull back, gave me that entry around here. Whereas my pullback, I'm not expecting it to go back to the zone I marked out. Yeah, but if it goes back there, it will give me a very good tight stop loss. Yeah, so it came here. I was just like looking at it because the stop loss will be wide. Entry right here, stop loss above this area. I was not okay with that kind of, wide stop loss. I was not okay with it. So I kept looking at the chart. It came again, did the same thing, gave me an entry around here, gave me that engulf entry. That's my third confirmation. First confirmation, the break. Second, the pullback. And third, the engulfed entry. So it gives me that entry around here. So I took the entry, I took the trade. Stop loss right above them highs, just right above it. So this is what I'm talking about. Today the market was ranging, but on Monday, that's how my trade always goes. Down, up, new stop loss, then goes straight down, smashing our TP. Let me show you the group. I posted it. Yeah, my group on Telegram. So this for today, yesterday, here. So this was the entry when I took the trade, and this was after I closed in full take profit. So good and easy. Yeah. No, and others, yeah, few other trades I took, I posted here. Yeah, but this last week, not on Monday. So we were smashing TP overall. Took this trade, I sent this trade to a certain set of people. So the trade was on the way. So the next entry, I posted it here, and they took the trade, and it hit full TP around here. So to tell that this strategy is profitable, and it's also a very good strategy I use, and I find out to take that entry every day. So this is my group. I'm going to, I'll add the link of this group on the description. You go there, follow me up. We are just 26 subscribers. Yeah. Well, 126 views. Yeah, I normally send it to other group to show them for more follow and the rest. Yeah, but that's not my problem. I just use the group as the place I do some documentations and the rest. So people use the opportunities, go in with me and go out with me. For a while, they show me some love, Yeah, and I appreciate them for that. Yes, you keep showing me love, I'll remember you, and there's nothing to worry about. So that's for that. mm, this is for Monday. Okay, that's just it, nothing much, nothing less. So I'll be going in tomorrow again. So today's trade I used 0.05, 0.05, and I'm kind of confused if I should keep using that amount of size. But no, I will still use it. I'll still use it because I know what I'm expecting is going to be massive. Yeah, I know what I'm expecting is going to be massive. If this trade would have went well, I'll be up a lot of percentage. Yeah, I'll be up very well. So I'll give you guys an update tomorrow. Yeah, on how everything went tomorrow. So we keep going. Yeah, we keep going. Yeah. Sometimes when I go out and I speak with people older than me, they'll be like, I'm 24, I'm 27, I'm 23. I'll be like, and you don't have money, and you're not like a millionaire or a billionaire or something. It sounds crazy to my ears. Yeah. Well, I won't say I'm rich, I won't say I'm poor, but living an average life sucks. So I believe that trading is gonna, change my life for good, and I'll keep working with that. I'll keep going forward into this, and I won't stop. Well, the guy that introduced me to this trading, yeah, we're all in the street, and he introduced this to me. I was just like, I would love to learn this. It's good. I like it. It's understandable. I love the technical part. It's not something I have to start reading about. That's why I don't focus on the fundamental part of this. The guy that brought me up to it, kind of, I don't know what happened. He's not into me anymore. I think he's, I don't know, but he just stopped showing me stuff, because I'm a kind of person that, because when he started teaching me, he gave me some courses to watch, so I'll get the idea of what it is and what is the US dollar and the JPY and all those rest. So he gave me a course, I studied it, so I was just like, let's begin, let's go into the technical part, let's make this money, bro. Yeah, it was just like that. So I was learning some strategies, I was learning. So a time came and I told him I want to fund a little money so that I will know how it feels, because as of that time I get money on my demo account. I make a lot of money, those zeros, those $1 million in my demo account. Yeah, $1 million, and I took it to about $40 million during that period. So I was like telling him I need to fund, I need to make this money ASAP, I need to buy these cars and the rest. So he was just like telling me, bro, don't fund. So I was really getting pissed about it, and I was really angry about it. So one day he told me the broker used a funding account. So yeah, that is also the same broker I used as demo. So one day I went inside the house, 8 o'clock in the night. I was looking at my laptop. 10 o'clock I was looking at it. I said I'm going to fund this account. I took about 8,000 something. I funded the account with $5. I looked at it. The next day I told him I funded my account a $5. I funded a $5 into my account. He said why that, and he know that I'm going to trade it. Why did I fund that amount? Why did I fund my account? So I was like angry that I funded it without telling him. So I said I will not trade it. That I just want, I want to just admire the $5 inside there. I want to look at it. So he said, that's your business. Nothing much. And that time I used indicators. I used indicators in trading, and well, it was profitable, but around some time I found it useless because it's I don't know, but it's indicators don't just suits me. It rumples my charts. It makes it look scattered than the rest. But just take a look at this. A very clean, pure chart. Pure chart, just with 2 lines or 3 lines. Just with 3 lines, your entry and done. Very simple and easy. But indicators, you'll be waiting for a retest, a double tap, and you wait for the divergence to happen. All these things. I was just like, no, that's not me. But around that time, so the next day after I told him I funded the account at night, around 10 p.m. I traded the account. I traded jump 10, volatility 75. The account has indices and also forex pairs and the rest. So I traded the account from $5 to $8. Do you know how? Let me tell you. Okay. I over leveraged. My first entry was just a normal entry, so it was working slow in my eyes. I was in profit. I took them out, making $2. I started this by 10 in the midnight. Okay, I later made $2, so my account was up $7. So there's one pair in that indices. There's one pair in the indices in that DMARC, in that deriv broker, in that broker. So I went to that pair because I've been trading it for a while. It's quite trickish. So I increased my lot size. I bought it. It jumped up. It jumped up. I took my profit. It was about $12. I sold it. It jumped down. I took my profit. Then I increased the lot size times 2. I entered again, making $18 in a spot. So after increasing it times 2, I placed a buy. It sold down, taking me down. I closed the trade. I was just like scalping, just per candle, not knowing, not using a strategy, not using anything. That's when I know you have. That's when I know that there's something happening to my brain. I was just like, what's going on? What's happening here? Because the money was increasing, it was dropping. It dropped down to $5 because I made $18 that night. So it dropped down to 12. I was about to take it to 20, so that when I come back the next morning, I'll show you that super stand I made at $20. Right at his face, I will be surprised and shocked. But to my latest consigned, it dropped down to 8, dropped down to 5, dropped down to $2, and blown. I blew the accounts around 2 a.m. very early in the morning. Yeah, from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. I was trading that account. So I blew the account 2 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, it was just like, as I blew the account, I just slid down on the floor. I was just like, what just happened? My 8K, my $5 just gone like that. Well, it hurt, but it made me, it changed me. Yeah, it changed me. Because I now know that, bro, use your normal word size, don't increase it anymore. That is the only thing I learned. I didn't learn any um, trading strategy or the rest. That is the only thing that $8, that $5 taught me. Never ever increase your lot size. Never. From that day, whenever I fund account, I don't increase my lot size again. But after that, so I said no, I'm not funding again till I know what I'm doing. So I kept going, tell him to teach me something, But no matter how hard he tried to show me a strategy of his own, I end up not understanding it. I get some points, and then when I see the market doing some other things, I get confused and all the rest. So there was another of my guy. He's also a forex trader. Yeah. So I made a deal with him, not telling the other guy that brought me up to trading. I made a deal with the other guy that he should send me signals and he'll get his percentage from it. He agreed, because that's what he does. He agreed, so I funded my account again. He gave me the signals. I entered, kept going. The signals kept going. I grew a $5 account to a $20. Grew it to a $30 account. So when the time for losing the account came, it was going down to 5, going down to 4. I don't know if he was the one actually doing it, or was it the market going against him. He had a very 1 week losing streak, and it took me down. So I had to withdraw the money, give him some break. I told him the money is gone while the money was about $5, because I can't just lose the whole money like that. I told him the money is gone, I got no money on me again. So I just left it, because I took the signals as rubbish. If I keep working with signals, it won't take me anywhere. So as of the beginning of this January, I took myself serious. I followed one mentor. Yeah. He don't know me, I don't know him. I just follow him up. He's right here on YouTube. I followed him up. I understand every bit of whatever he does. Yeah, he don't know my name. I only know him. So I stick to him. When he make a post, I follow him up. When he does anything, I'm following him up. In his Telegram group, I'm with him. Everything, both in emails and everything, and that was really helpful. At the time came, he gave us his course for free. He sold that course for about $50 something. No, $400. $50 something is for the boot camp. So he sells that course for $400, but at a point he just released it to us using his Notion template. It's right here. Yeah, right here. He released the course to us, and it gives me the opportunity to study them. After studying them, I understand the clear shape of the market. So another day he posted an A+ setup, a strategy that will make you profitable. I went into that A plus setup video. I watched it, and it was really, 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 really good. Like, I understand everything from A to Z. He gave us the complete a 1 hour um a 1 hour video that of him making an entries and making profit and taking stop losses and the rest and making losses. Yeah, so the video was a great thing. Yeah, and I learned that strategy for 3 months. I traded it for 3 months and found it profitable. Yeah, that is it. Yeah. So my personal accounts, yeah, I traded it from that same $5 with that strategy, making about that something dollars. So I said if I keep doing like this, it won't take me anywhere. Yeah, because I can't just be using 0.01 and buy the dream cars I want, like this here now, like this car. I love it, it's beautiful. So I can't just use that 0.01 to buy this car. So I decided to save the money. I withdrew the money, saved it in my wallet account so that I'll use it to buy a funded account when I'm ready. So I think I'm ready now. I bought the account. Yeah, and I'm planning to become a millionaire. Yeah, by the grace of God. Yeah, by the grace of God, I pass this account and I get my payout and I keep trading the accounts till I buy my first car and the rest, and gain that freedom, get the freedom, because the way things are, I think that forex is the only thing that can change my life. Because when I see some guys of 25 years working hard from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening working hard, I'll be like, I can't do this. No, this is not meant for me. This is not me. I don't picture myself doing this. I picture myself becoming a millionaire at the age of 21, 20. Yeah, that's just my thinking and my dreams. Yeah. But nevertheless, to cut the story short, I'm trading a 5K funded account, and let's see how it goes. If I pass it, you'll know. Every day I will update you guys on how the trade went and what's going on in my funded. Don't forget to join the group on Telegram. Yeah, and subscribe. Okay, subscribe if you like this video.